Hello and welcome my friend, and then I am planning to give you information that what is this interesting car part, like in this my car, what is just in this part in here, that one, this black steel part in here, what is bolted in this subframe. This part is really damper, and this damper is part what purpose is to eliminate these cars, these bad vibrations, and these bad vibrations generates noise and sound in inside car. And some parts like wheels, drive shafts generates vibration, and that damper part, this one in here, what we soon take out, this part eliminates and makes these sounds smaller. It is like sound eliminator, because parts they moves in this way, and that part eliminates this car body movement, and it's like insulate sounds and vibrations. And there is also thing that many car parts they generate waves what are like sine waves, and that's this damper. It must to be installed in just suitable position that it eliminates these sound waves in our car body. And this is like thing what we need to use if we have very high rev sport cars what takes lot of revs. And in like this my car's engine takes about 8,000 revs, and that's there must be these dampers what eliminates these sound waves. Okay, and let's go to look at how I take this part away next. Okay, and this part in here, this is really damper, and there is 1 and 2 and 3 bolts what I need to open, and there is now 2 big bolts, and let's look closer. Okay, and now we need this 19mm socket what fits in this part in this way, and then I take this wrench and socket and I open this bolt, and in here we have also similar 19mm in, well actually this is a little bit smaller. Okay, interesting, 3 bolts but all of are different size. And now I am opening these bolts, and this bolt is like 12mm, and let's look how this opens. Okay, this is easy to open. That one, this opens easily, but then this 19mm bolt, this was very tight, that one. This was really difficult to open, and I need to heat up. I need to heat up this bolt because this is so tight. Okay, I need now a little bit heat. Okay, and now I really need to heat up, and I use this sievert power gas where is 1900 Celsius this heat, and there is the switch that I open that and then trigger. now I heat really this bolt, that bolt area. Okay, and let's test that what happens. Can I open that? And if this is still stuck, then I need to heat up this couple of minutes. Let's look what happens. And this looks again still this is stuck. Okay, I need to heat up this bolt more. Okay, and now I have really heat up this my bolt about 4 minutes, and now when we try to open that bolt, now we can see that now this bolt moves. And it means that my bolt is bigger, and now we can open that. And also in this area we can add in here some lubricant in this thread area also. And now I add in here engine oil. This is standard mobile 1 oil. And let's look at how this opens. And this was really, now it opens, but hard bolt, very tight bolt to open. Okay, good. Now it opens nicely. Okay, and then I use my electric impact driver also. Okay, and there is my impact driver. Okay, and now I notice that in this down area there is also bolt, and I have to install in this down area my friends also. Okay, now this my bolt opens, and first big bolt is free, and then there was second bolt was smaller one, 12 millimeters. And we can use that in easy way with this my impact driver, 12 millimeters, and this was easy. And then we have final bolt in this down area, this back area, and it seems to be also tight. Okay, and now I managed to open this bolt, and there is this down area. I opened this bolt in down area, and now this damper is free, and we can go to look that closer what this looks like. Okay, and there is really this damper, and it looks like that, and there is really, this part is really heavy. This is like some rubber, and this is elastic, and that part only purpose is, we can see that there is this elastic joint, is to eliminate this engine, this sound and force waves just in specific position, and this is quite heavy. This weight about 1 to 2 pounds, and this is like only this purpose is to eliminate this car body vibrations and sounds when we are suspension or drive shaft or wheel movements. And this is really specific engineering, and please install these packs, and if you have any extra vibrations in your car, check that these dampers are in right positions, because we might have these dampers in also, like in some exhaust pipe, these covers, like in Lexus cars, that they eliminate all kind of extra noises in car. Okay, that kind of information to you, my friend.